Now I'm making a smoothie. Welcome back. Happy Sunday, or whatever day it is for you. It is Sunday for me, and I'm going to be doing an arm day because that's pretty much the only workout I can seem to get in here. We weren't able to figure out the gym situation. We stopped by there. It was supposed to be open gym from 12 to 5, and we stopped by there one day at 12:45 just to check it out, and I was going to inquire about the classes, and they were not open. So, our schedule just hasn't really allowed for me to do the morning classes, and at this point we have 2 more days. So I'm gonna hit an arm day. I have my bands here, and I'm gonna use the pull-up bar outside, so fingers crossed nobody's on it because that's like my whole workout. I'm gonna use the band around the frame to do all sorts of stuff like presses, pulls, bicep curls, you name it. So yeah, and of course I'll do some pull-ups as well. So I really hope and pray nobody is out there, but I haven't even shown you the view yet today. Let's check it out. This is what we're working with. Apparently there's gonna be yoga here soon. I don't see anyone though, it's 8:47. Gonna give you a little tour of the hotel. That's reception. Then there's all these rooms, 2 floors. And here is the pool area. Over there, there's a water machine, filtered water and ice. There's also a grill back there we've used once before. Then there's these rooms. And then our room is up top here. There's also rooms, so this path goes to the beach. There's some rooms back here as well. You can rent surfboards or boogie boards, lounge on the chairs. Last time we stayed in one of these down here in the corner. There's like a little shower there, a little table to eat. And then our room is up here. And then of course we have that same beach view from our balcony. Well, the people came to do yoga, so I kicked myself out. Not like they said I had to leave, but I don't know. I was kind of done anyways. I mean, I could have done 3 sets of everything, but I did 2 sets of everything that I wanted to do. Now I'm making a smoothie with my yogurt, creatine, and fruit, and some ice.
Oh, it's got a baby.
Well, there's monkeys in our trees again. It's been a while. I thought we would see them every day after we saw them the first day, but I'm happy. Outfit of the day. This is a Lululemon tank top. It's called like split hem, I think now, but it's very lightweight. It might rain. I'm also wearing some shorts from Amazon. We're supposed to go on an estuary tour to go see crocodiles and maybe some monkeys and a bunch of birds. However, it was just raining, so we're hoping it doesn't rain while we're out there because that would just not be quite as fun. And then we were also supposed to go on a little hike after that. And again, that will not be fun if it is raining.
Oh, wow.
We are now taking our short monkey walk. Tamarindo tree.
In front of that bush. Yeah. See?
Ja, je ziet zijn rug, ja. Oh, I guess it.
But it's on call you but over. Maybe 3 years.
Yeah, you see?
Good luck, people. Have fun in there. We're hungry and it's a random time, so we're gonna get gelato. Outfit update! We're going to dinner at the place across the street called Sophia's that gets rave reviews. So I'm wearing my Halara dress with the built-in shorts. The shorts are not really long enough. However, this place is literally across the street. So I'm like, we're living on the edge. I really like how it has the built-in bra. It has a really cute back. It reminds me of the Ox Jocks bras that I've been obsessing about. So, and a little red moment, why not? Well, we're going to look at sunset, as always. There's not much here, but this is a little something something. It's high tide, as you can see.
Oh, cool.
First
We haven't
frog.
seen a frog, yeah. Margarita del Tamarindo.
So we came to dinner at Sofia Mediterraneo, which is highly, highly recommended.
Entrada, two appetizers, addition, postre especial, dátiles, dates.
The executive chef stopped by our table to tell us about their specials. So we did order one special appetizer and I ordered the special spaghetti of the night. Drinks are here. They're looking mighty fancy. Appetizers have arrived.
One, two, three.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Perfecto. Gracias. We went to Sofia. It was really good, a little pricey, but really delicious. And it was really cool how the chef came over and told us about all the different dishes. That was a really nice touch. So now we are going to get a drink at this really fun bar called Chiquita that has like crafted cocktails, very fancy.